Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a couple years ago. I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And I'm gonna try to, actually I made some oil paint like image from these two last year, a couple months ago. I want to try some dry media type illustration image from these two today. And even though this is a little bit not low key, but not light image, but well, I'm gonna try anyways. Okay, let's get started. Well, I'm gonna check this blend mode as always. Change this from normal to darken, multiply, color burn. Well, these are the one I used based on oil paint, like. But this time I'm gonna go lighten image, then screen. This is pretty nice, real subtle colors and nice pencil drawing type image. Overlay, it's kind of harsh, but maybe overall image lighten, hard light. Yeah, this one is nice subtle colors, vivid. That's interesting. Luminosity, overall subtle orange-ish color. So I'm gonna get color from luminosity, I think. Okay, let's get this one. Yes, okay. I'm gonna select multiple, 2 layers and duplicate layers. Now I'm gonna merge down. Merge selected to get fixed 1 layer. Then I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image all the way top. Okay, I'm gonna change all the names now, 3 of them. Okay, original image, luminosity effect image, pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna bring this one luminosity to normal. Blend mode, turn off this pencil drawing type image just for keep it now, and let me see this luminosity effect layer. Well, this color is too thin, so I'm going to duplicate this layer, then change this top layer to multiple, then merge down. Okay, this is luminosity effect, double the color. I'm going to duplicate layer just in case. I'm going to go back. Okay, just 1 for keep it. Then I'm going to work on this smudge tool. Then go with the smudge tool, pastel square. Alright, now, well, that's cool, huh? Okay, now we have this smudged image. Then let's see. Color burn. That's kind of cool, huh? Screen is pretty cool too. Luminosity gets a little bit dark compared to screen. This is hard light. This is pretty cool too. Pretty interesting, huh? Hard light. Let's see. Touch up. Okay, that's pretty good. This is sharp image. So harsh, huh? This is I just smudged. So I'm gonna add name luminosity effect plus smudge. And now blend mode is hard light. Now I want this image to be base image. So okay, select this image and base image. Now duplicate layers, then merge selected. Now I got the normal blend mode to get this image as a one base normal blend mode. Now I'm going to turn this one off to keep it. This is a luminosity effect smudged image. Then this one is this image combined to original image to get this image as a one layer. So I'm going to move this one, move down to over this original image. Now I'm going to create empty mask, then hide with brushes soft chalk. Okay. No, I don't know if I like this texture though. No, I think I should paint it over this. I'm gonna add layer. Well, I shouldn't touch anymore, I think. Well, I think that's it for today, and I may add some color or paint something if I'm maybe next time, I don't know. But that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work to using that blend mode, changing, masking to make something interesting. Well, Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.